Hi students, I am taking science subject and I am going to start today. First lesson is nutrition in plants. First of all, what is meant by nutrition? Nutrition means process of providing food. Okay, nutrition means process of providing food where in plants. Nutrition means process of providing food where in plants. In this lesson we are going to study how the process of providing food in plants and how it prepares food, how the plants prepare food. Okay, see, first, all the living organisms why require food we see. First of all, what are the living organisms? See, living organisms, what? Plants, animals, some microorganisms, these all comes under living organisms. What are non-living organisms? Rock like stones, these are non-living organisms we can say. Yes, these living organisms, plants, animals and microorganisms, these require food. Yes, we know. See, in your 6th standard you have components of food. Yes, what are the components of food? I think you know. I'll write here: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats and minerals. These are what? Components of food. These components of food we call nutrients. See how these nutrients are helpful to us. Means these nutrients helps our body to grow, and also these nutrients will give us energy to do any work or any activities. Yes, till here we understand components of food. These components of food we call nutrients, and how these nutrients are helpful to our body. Yes, we understand. Next we will go to the, see, you know, all plants, the organisms which prepare food for themselves. You know that, but human beings or animals which cannot prepare food for themselves. In our body we are preparing any food? No. If we get hungry, we will cook something and we will eat. But plants prepare food by its own. We will see that. Now we will go to the mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition in plants. Already we know what is meant by nutrition. Here only I written process of providing food or giving food in plants. Mode means what? A way of providing food in plants. See, already we know plants are the only organisms which prepare food by its own. By taking what it prepares? By taking carbon dioxide, yes, carbon dioxide, water and minerals. By its surroundings, these plants will take these three and it prepares food. We are going to study that how the process will going on. Okay. See, these nutrients, how these are helpful to our body. In the same way, these nutrients also helps plants to grow and it will repair the damaged parts of the plant. So it plays a major role. So nutrition is a mode of in plants. Okay. Next we will see the autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Next we will see the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. Autotrophic and heterotrophic. First we will see autotrophic mode of nutrition, next is heterotrophic. Autotrophic mode of nutrition means here the organisms which prepare food by its own. We can say plants. Plants are the organisms which take food by its own. Already we discussed this. Yes, plants are the autotrophs now. Plants are the organisms which prepare food by its own. Here next we will go to the heterotrophs. Here what happens means animals and other organisms which take food depending on other, which prepared by other plants. Hetero means on others. See, heterotrophic means the organisms or animals which doesn't prepare food by its own. It takes food prepared by other plant. Autotrophs means self. It prepares themselves. Yes, we understand autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now next we will go to the photosynthesis. See, photosynthesis, food making process in plants. We will discuss what is photosynthesis and how the process of making food in plants. See, I said plants prepare food by themselves, but in which part of the leaf it prepares? In which part of the plant it prepares food? Means in a leaf. Yes, this is a rough diagram of plant. Yes, these are the roots. This is all soil. See, in a leaf it prepares food. Okay, I will draw a big diagram of leaf here. See what I said, in leaf only it prepares food. Okay, by itself. Plants are the organisms which prepare food by themselves. See, on the surface how it prepares food means, so we can say first leaves are the food factories. Leaves are the food factories because it prepares food in a leaf only. In leaf only it prepares food, so we can call food factories. Leaves are the food factories. Yes. See, to prepare food, what it needs, what plants need, already I said carbon dioxide. You can write in shortcut. Okay, carbon dioxide, water and minerals. See, water and minerals which is present in a soil. So, in a roots there is a vessels are present. It is like pipes. See, in your houses how pipes are connected. Through the pipes only water is passing. So, here in the same way vessels means it is like pipes which is in roots. Vessels are present in roots. Through the roots, through the vessels only, these whatever the soil, water and minerals which is absorbed by vessels, which is passed through every part of the plant, which runs entire part of the plant. Okay, which is continuous path. Next we need carbon dioxide. Water and minerals we completed. Carbon dioxide. Normal carbon dioxide, where it presents? In air. Yes. Even some gases also present in air. How it absorbs? Carbon dioxide, how it absorbs? Means on a leaf, on a surface of leaf, there is small pores are present. If we see that one, we can see here small pores. Pores means like a holes. I'll draw here big diagram. This is a hole, okay, pores, which surrounded by a cells, which is surrounded by a cells. These cells we call as guard cells. Through these opening only it absorbs carbon dioxide from air. Yes, these opening we call stomatal opening. Stomatal opening. Such pores, these all pores only, yes, such pores we call stomata. Once again I will repeat this one. Water and minerals which absorbs through vessels, which is present in roots. From soil it absorbs and which transported into every part of the plant. And next one is carbon dioxide, which is present in air. How it absorbs? Means on the surface of leaf there is a small pores are present. Pores means like a holes. Yes, these holes, okay. Here is a diagram. This opening, through this opening only what it absorbs carbon dioxide from air. Yes, these opening we call stomatal opening, and surrounded by its pores, by the pores, some cells are present. These we call guard cells, and such pores we call stomata. Yes, we understand. Even in a leaf there is a green pigment is present. Green pigment that we call chlorophyll. See where it presents? In a leaf. In a leaf there is green pigment it presents, that we call chlorophyll. What is the function of chlorophyll? What is the work of chlorophyll? Means these chlorophyll absorbs sunlight. Yes, this chlorophyll, in leaf only it presents chlorophyll. These green color pigment we call chlorophyll. These absorbs sunlight, means it absorbs energy from the sun, so that by these energy it prepares food by using what? Carbon dioxide, water and minerals. By using these things, these will prepare food. If there is no sunlight, then there is no preparation of food happens in a plant. Yes, if there is no chlorophyll also present, then no food preparation happens. So again repeating, in a leaf there is a green color pigment is present, that we call chlorophyll, which absorbs energy from a sun. So this energy, what? This energy prepares food by using carbon dioxide from air and water minerals from its soil. Yes, we understand how it prepares. So this process, whatever I explained, this process, that we call photosynthesis. Photo means what? Photo means light. Yes, synthesis means what? Prepare. Yes, in the presence of sunlight only it prepares, plant prepares what? Food. In the presence of sunlight prepares food. Without sunlight there is no preparation of food happens in plant. Yes, we understand how the process of making food in plants and what is photosynthesis. Now I'll write the equation. See, during this photosynthesis it also releases some amount of oxygen. I'll write this in the equation as carbon dioxide and water By using these two, it gives in the presence of what? Sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, which gives carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means what? Components of food only. Again it is a food only. Components of food, what? Carbohydrates. And also it releases some of oxygen. By taking carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, which gives carbohydrates, it is a food, and oxygen. Yes, we understand till here. Next is synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. By the process of photosynthesis, plants prepare carbohydrates. Yes, now we will see other than carbohydrates what it prepares. Still components of food, or other than carbohydrates, what are there? Proteins, vitamins, fats. Yes. See, we will see next preparation of food other than carbohydrates. Yes. First, carbohydrate is made up of hydrates, made up of what? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These are used to prepare proteins. These are helps to prepare proteins and fats as food. First we will see the proteins. Proteins are the nitrogenous substance. See, proteins are the nitrogenous substance. Nitrogenous means what? It contains nitrogen. Where the nitrogen is present? Yes, in air. I said while explaining that photosynthesis, in air there is carbon dioxide and some of the gases are present. Yes. In air there is what? Carbon dioxide and some gases are present. Even nitrogen gas is present in air. But these plant through the leaves, it cannot absorb what? Nitrogen. It cannot absorb nitrogen because it is in gaseous form. So it can't absorb the gaseous form of nitrogen. So then how it absorbs nitrogen? Means in a soil. Here these are the roots and it is plant. In a soil some bacteria is present. Yes. These bacteria will convert the nitrogen in gaseous form into usable form. See, first this nitrogen which is present in air, but this gaseous form of nitrogen it cannot absorb. Plants cannot absorb the gaseous form of nitrogen. So in a soil some of the bacteria is present. These bacteria these bacteria will convert the gaseous nitrogen in gaseous form into what? Usable form. These will release into the soil. So again the same process. Here in roots some vessels are present. Yes. Through these vessels it absorbs what? Nitrogen in usable form. These will transport to every part of the plant. So again from sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll it prepares what? Protein. Yes, vitamins. You might have seen farmers using nitrogen. Yes, what? Fertilizers rich in nitrogen for agriculture. So to prepare proteins and vitamins only these fertilizers or manures are used. Yes, we understand other than carbohydrates how the preparation of proteins or vitamins. We'll continue in the next class.